Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Haxiaoer new TIG set I bought. It was like 300 quid, 319 actually. Yeah, so it's a AC/DC, sort of like the Hitbox one that I did, but it's an AC/DC TIG set. So we'll be testing this today. Seeing what it's like. Hopefully it's alright, but we'll find out for you. So get rid of that. You've got a nice TIG torch with all the set there, a gas hose, a stick welding stinger, some Jubilee clips for your hose, and an earth. It has the small DIN connectors, not the big ones, so that's alright. And also there's the actual machine. There's a lot of plastic on everything, but I suppose that's to keep everything nice and crisp. And then you've also got it looks like an argon regulator. So, well, it's a bit of a weird argon regulator. I think it'll fit my, it says argon on it, I think it'll fit my gas bottle. I'll just check. But they don't supply the pedal. It's got, so for them who want to plug the pedal, it's got a two pin connector, and that's the main way of connecting it. This is also covered with a protective cap to protect the threads, which is very difficult for me to get off, and I've got cold hands, but it's off. Connect the TIG torch up. Just check that the camera looks like it's actually on. Oh yes it is, don't worry. So that's a nice easy quick connect, and connector to the TIG set. It is very loud. Trusty knife. Nice thick gas meter, gas line. Probably, say maybe 1.5 meters. Get one of these Jubilee clips, stick it on there. Try and wrestle with this thing to get it off. I'll get a pair of pliers, that will get it off. Plug this in. That goes on nice and easy. And it's a Phillips head for the Jubilee clip. Jubilees are okay. Certainly a little bit Chinesian, but they'll be okay. They tighten up without flexing, so. Nice. Regulator, nice. A little bit stiff, but that's okay. Now connect this up to my gas bottle. Nice. So we have gas to the machine. Okie dokie. That's that. We will build the TIG torch. Just to mention, it also doesn't have any tungsten included with it, so I shall get some tungsten as well. So, put this in first. And then size collet, I've got 2.4mm tungsten, that's 3.2, that's 2.4, so that can go just in there, and a back cap, and we'll have a number 7 cup on there. Put all that in the spares. Okay. Put the earth in. Yeah, screw that. Yep, earth's going in positive because that's what I think it is. Well, actually, I know it is. The gas is all nice and hooked up. Now I'm going to be using a Weld gold tungsten. That's what I've got. Just sharpen this bad boy using my tungsten disc that I buy from Mattox. On eBay. Might put a link in the description for some of those. They're extremely good, useful, just connect straight onto your angle grinder. Yeah. Take it off. Through there. Stick out of that, maybe 5mm, and uncoil this. So press the button, get some gas. You heard the high frequency. It is a high frequency start, which is really good. Here's the display. Obviously, you can't see it very well. But first, we're going to select, as you can hear, the welder's quite noisy, but at least you know it's cool in it. We're going to have it on alley, start without any pulse. We're going to have it on, let's say, 90 amps, 2T, so when I press the trigger, it'll go. When I release the trigger, it'll stop. Got a little bit of plate here. Earth goes onto the job. And I need to turn my screen on because I'm now blind. And as you can see, that works pretty well. Because we're doing aluminium, I might just put the lower gas cup on. Let's just turn it down to like 70. So you've got an option, okay. Turn the gas down as well because I think the gas is too high. So yeah, that's a little bit crap on 70. It's probably just my welding, to be honest. I don't do aluminium very often. Put the machine back up to 90. Anywho, you get the drift. It works on aluminium on the normal mode. So now you should be able to where the pulps are going. So as you can see, that protrudes a lot, and because I've got the pulps going, it's finding the bottom. As you can see, when I started, a little bit of wind blew into garage, but it welds 110 amps nicely. As I say, the steel's not the cleanest. TIG welder for quite some time, so a little bit rusty, but yeah, it certainly does straight DC, 80 amps to 50 amps, 7 hertz. We use the same sort of settings as we was for the aluminium. With the poles. Really a TIG welder, more of a MIG welder, but yeah, the pulse works on it. And MMA, let me just find a stinger and we'll test that. So MMA onto my electrode negative. Get some electrodes. As you can see, the MMA function certainly works on it. Pull down. As you can see, it certainly stick welds, plenty of power, nice, smooth arc. Yeah, really happy with it, really. But I'm sure it'll get some use. Just thought I'd show you settings. You can see them. So you've got AC pulse, DC pulse, MMA. The dial's easy to use. Press this button and it selects through the modes. This is your mode selector. Pulse. Then that allows you to, as you can see, it's not very clear on the camera, but it's easy enough to select through the menus. It also has you can't really see it, but a user setting option. I'm not really sure how to do that yet, but it looks okay.